wires, one of the things I love about my job is that some pretty awesome products show up on my doorstep every day. Now the other day, Cricut sent me an Explore Air 2 and an Easy Press 2, and I kind of felt like I won the lottery. Now when I was thinking about what I wanted to make with these products, it occurred to me that a lot of us are still working at home and jumping on a Zoom call every day. Now just in case you haven't tidied up your office and you don't want to use a filter, or you just want to change up your backdrop on your next few Zoom calls, I'm making something called a Zoom divider. Okay, it's really just a room divider, but I'm calling it a Zoom divider, and it's something you can toss behind your desk to liven up your screen time and to cover up the fact that you're not the tidiest person in the world. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a Zoom divider. I had these half-inch thick plywood panels cut at my local hardware store for about $35. I love the Cricut because it makes everything from iron-ons to stencils, and projects can be as simple or as involved as you want. Plus, everything looks like it was made by a professional. For the metallic cardstock, I uploaded my design, sized it to 11 inches to fit on my divider, next, I press Make It and Continue since this didn't need to be mirrored. My base material is a heavy cardstock, which I use a lot, so it's favorited, and now all I have to do is load and cut. Mandala patterns I'm using were originally for stencils, which is why I'm manually cutting around the shapes. For the glitter iron-on, I left it the same size as the cardstock. I select Make It and Continue, then glitter iron-on, which is also in my favorites. Next, I load my Cricut and let the magic happen. On a t-shirt, you would set the Easy Press 2 at 320 degrees for 15 seconds when using the glitter iron-on. But because we're ironing on wood, I'm using it at 370 degrees for 45 seconds to a minute. No matter what kind of crafter you are, Cricut can open up a world of possibilities. I'm going to leave a link to Cricut and Decor and everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.